Meanwhile, the West Indies will look to close out their three-match T20 series against Bangladesh when the teams meet in the third and final match at the Providence Stadium in Guyana on Thursday. The Windies are 1-0 up following their 35-run win in Sunday's second clash, while the Bangladeshis are still searching for their first T20 win on Caribbean soil.
Rain threatened to ruin the series after the no result in the opening contest, but an all-round performance from the Caribbean team on Sunday, with half-centuries from Brandon King and Rovman Powell, carried them across the line against the visitors at Windsor Park by 35 runs. They have since journeyed to Guyana, but the rain threat remains and could spoil the party, but West Indies captain Nicholas Puran has his eyes on a bigger prize.
It's always good having a lead in the series. And coming to Guyana, we feel like we're in a good space, from a team perspective. And looking forward to tomorrow. Hopefully we get good weather and we can close off the series.
The matchup will be used as a gauge for what is expected to be a bumper summer of cricket for the regional side.
It does a lot. We as a team, we spoke about winning games, winning series, winning tournaments. And if we can get a series win here, that will be wonderful for us in terms of confidence. Going into play in India and then New Zealand, we're looking forward. We're definitely looking forward to tomorrow to see if we can wrap the series up and be victorious.
The Bangladeshis have never won a T20 international on Caribbean soil, and Puran wants it to remain. But conditions may suit the visitors due to the inclement weather.
You can assess conditions really fast, keep a positive mindset. Anything could happen on the day. I don't really want to think too much about the Bangladeshi. Yes, they have really good quality spinners as well. But I do believe in our batsmen and we have the skills as well to assess on the day and get the results for the team. So not really looking into it. The game is played on this day and I'm happy with the progress of our batsmen from Netherlands series into the Pakistan series and into that first game in the Bangladesh as well. So
the last two T20 internationals at Providence last August were abandoned due to rain. The match goes off at 12:30 p.m. Jamaica time. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.